How much can you make with affiliate marketing? Let's break it down in a way that's as easy as pie. How much cash are affiliate marketers pocketing, and how long do they need to hustle before seeing those dollar signs? Now, I get this question a lot. One of my top students decided to play detective and asked about 2,200 of these affiliate marketers in our community. And guess what? On average, they're making over $8,000 every month. That's a whole lot of dough. And it's a big but, this number is from folks who stuck around. Many try out this gig and they say, nope, not for me. And they didn't make it to this survey, so hats off to the persistent one. To make bank like the average affiliate marketer, remember that juicy $8,000 per month? You gotta stick to it like glue on your kiddo's school projects. Someone just started might pull in around $636 per month. Now, I always say, in the beginning, you're working your tail off just for a bit of cash, but hang in there. After a while, it's more like chilling in a hammock while the money rolls in. So keep at it, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next affiliate rock star. So ever heard of quitters never win? If you quit early, you'll miss out on the big buck. Your first year, you're looking at about $636 a month. Not millionaire status, but hey, it's a start. 1 to 2 years in, bam, you're hitting around $4,196 a month. That's almost 7 times the first year amount. Persistence pays off, literally. 3 to 5 years in, now you're cooking with gas, about $10,000 a month. Affiliate marketing is a 3 to 5 year journey if you want those life upgrading, I can't believe this is my bank balance kind of earnings. So keep on trucking and you might just hit that jackpot. And hey, check out the free trainings here because knowledge is power, and in this case, potentially money too. Here's the deal. This survey didn't count the folks who threw in the towel. Those who swap marketing for Netflix binges or who are now chilling maybe with some munchies on the side. The numbers we're looking at, that's from the champs who said, I'm in this for the long haul. Now let's break it down. Year 1, aim for about $1,000 a month. Year 2, aim for about a sweet $4,000 a month. In year 5, if you're still in the game, you're eyeing around $10,000 monthly. Remember, everyone's journey is different. It's all about the tricks up your sleeve and how good you are at your game. Folks who tough it out for 10 years, they're making in a whopping $44,000 every month. Ask yourself, can your current job get you $500,000 a year? If not, you're dreaming of fancy cars and beach houses. This could be your ticket. Now, I hear you. 10 years? That's forever. But think about it. Time flies. In 10 years, do you want to be in the same spot or rolling in the big bucks? That's where this side gig can be a game changer. But let's get into the nitty gritty. Website traffic. Here's a quick breakdown. First year people earning around $636 a month. They get about 13,000 site visits a month. Those 1 to 2 years pulling in around 4K a month, they're seeing about 27,000 people stopping by their site monthly. So visits matter. The more you get, the closer you are to that beach house. How many websites do you think the big earners get? Yeah. Year 1, earning about $636,000 a month, 13,000 visits. That's like a small town checking you out every month. And 1 to 2 years in, the 4K a month, 27,000 visits, boom, you got a stadium crowd. 3 to 5 years with 10K and 60,000 visits, now you're drawing in a whole city. 10-year champs, 44K a month and a massive 216,000 visits. That's almost the population of a small country. The secret sauce? Keep pumping out that content like it's the hottest gossip in your town. More visitors equal more money. If you're thinking, all right, I'm in, but where do I start? I have a course for that. I'll walk you through every step. I've tried it and it's a game changer. Plus, I'll even give you a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you want to get in on this, check out the link in my bio. I've been cheering and working on it for over 3 years. And the cool part, I keep it fresh with updates. And guess what? Whenever I update, you get those changes too. Plus, if you're watching your wallet, and who isn't, I've got a payment plan so you can spread the cost over a few months. But here's a juicy tidbit. 30% of the big earners, they all thought about tossing in the towel at some point. Some days you might want to bury your head under a pillow and binge watch cat videos, but guess what? The quitters, they're not making the big bucks. They didn't even answer the survey questions because it'd be like having a pizza party and forgetting the pizza. In this game, you gotta be the last one standing. Now here's a fun fact. 1 in 3 Rockstar affiliate marketers, those making a cool 100K a year, thought about throwing in the towel. So if you feel like giving up, you're in good company. 78% of folks say SEO's their golden ticket for traffic. The recipe for success: spot on keywords and killer content. 80% of people now use robot pals or AI to help whip up their articles. 82% of the big earners sprinkle ads on their sites and also give affiliate products a shout out. Take this video, for example. Ads, affiliate plugs, the whole shebang. And oh yeah, before you start thinking Amazon's out of the game, nah, it's like the comeback kid. People are shopping there more than ever. Over 58% of peeps pulling in 10K a month or more are still riding that Amazon wave. Those raking in 10K a month usually find strength in communities and often attend relevant events. To conclude, affiliate marketing has been a game changer for me. It's been years since I last clocked in for a conventional job. I possess numerous properties scattered throughout the nation. I'm not just a property owner, but a shrewd real estate investor. The life I've molded for myself allows me to invest only 6 to 8 hours a week into my business, yet it yields over $100,000 monthly. This success is attributed to my unwavering dedication. I had to overcome perseverance, even during hard times when doubts and ego threatened my journey, but it's all paid off. Your results might be different from the average. They could be slightly lower or potentially higher, depending on your dedication, your skill, passion, and the effort you invest. Essentially, the volume of content you produce plays a significant role. The quicker you reach the milestone of publishing 500 optimized articles or videos, the faster you set yourself on track to earning substantial monthly sums. The real magic lies in that consistency. Once you grasp the overarching strategy, once you're equipped with the right training and a supportive community, it's time to narrow your focus. Resist the lure of so-called gurus peddling shortcuts. The genuine path to success involves dedicating yourself, diving deep, and putting in consistent work over several years. This industry offers transformative potential, as I've experienced firsthand. I've witnessed countless students, much like yourself, revolutionize their lifestyles, significantly boost their earnings, attain greater freedom, and reclaim their time through the passive revenue streams available through ads and affiliate marketing. I hope you found this video valuable. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop me a comment. Looking forward to engaging with you in upcoming videos. Until then, take care.